Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of changing your Facebook password. If you're looking to enhance the security of your Facebook account, this full guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by tapping on the app icon on your device. Once opened, you'll be directed to the Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Facebook menu. Step 3. In the menu, look for and tap on Accounts Center. Center. This will take you to the Accounts Center section. Step 4. Within the Accounts Center, locate and tap on Password and Security. This will open the password and security settings. Step 5. Once you're in the password and security settings, tap on Change Password. This will initiate the password change process. Step 6. You'll now see a list of accounts. Tap on the account that you want to change the password for, ensuring that Facebook is selected as the desired platform. Step 7. In the provided fields, type in your old password, followed by your new password. Make sure to rewrite the new password to confirm its accuracy. Step 8. Finally, tap on Change Password to save the new password and complete the process. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your Facebook password. By following these simple steps, you can ensure the security of your Facebook account. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.